Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set infinite screen timeout on Realme 11 Pro. And to do this, first let's open our settings and here find the display, home screen and lock screen. Display, sorry. Okay, and right here we should be able to find display timeout, auto screen off, and as you can see the maximum timeout is 30 minutes. We want to change it to infinite, and to help us with that we'll need to download an app called Caffeine. So here in the Google Play Store, go for the search and enter Caffeine. Now we can install it. When it's ready, click on the open, and inside you can set the timeout to infinite right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.